Kylia. Hi, Leah.
She gonna record me. Baby zooming in on her. She don't want my bracelet.
Hey, baby.
Look at Papa. Papa.
Mm-hmm. Come here. Come here. Come on. She's trying. You just smile for no reason. Because you happy. What's wrong with your grandma? Huh? Help me.
Stop playing. For real, Marvin. I'm feeling suffocated because you put that camera on and zoom in my face.
She's suffocating.
You should have told me, Sky, that he was playing games with me.
So get me out of here. Y'all see Candy?
Yes.
Clean up that kitchen area.
I already did when they when you left.
No.
Yeah, you did. She did.
I cleaned it up. I cleaned the couches in the kitchen earlier.
You want some candy for real?
You don't deserve nothing. So I did this kitchen and this bath and I did other things earlier.
No?
Okay.
You okay, Malia?
I'm following me right now, dude. I let you choke these
No, you're blocking the TV. I want the other card.
Yeah. Get coming off the floor, friend.
I ain't got no bones.
This is a lot.
Malia, that flower over there yours.
This flower.
No, that's yours. You're welcome.
Get out. We have king crafts today.
Last mukbang we did, it was the lobster tails. We didn't finish it. I think we had like 4 left, and we shared with the kids. And this mukbang will be with the king. What's the king what?
King crabs. Oh.
King crabs.
Can you my glass in my phone? I might get an important phone call, you know. It might be cut. My cup right here. Thank you. Okay, I'm ready.
What's up, YouTube? It's me, Mike Moore. What's happening?
And it's me, Miss Saris, to you. Well, Stephanie, Miss Saris, to you.
Yeah, we back with another mukbang.
Yes, we have king crabs today. But anyway, we got king crabs and some potatoes and shrimp with corn on the cob.
Yeah. We didn't do the sausage this time, so.
Oh, I forgot.
Got the sausage. We don't have to have the sausage. You know, we don't have to have like the whole feast. The main attraction is the king crab.
And a lemon.
And that's what we're going for.
Yes.
So this one we're gonna try to finish it. We didn't cook a lot this time. We just made enough. Hopefully we can finish this. But if we don't, then we'll do another part 3.
Part 3. This is part 2.
This is part 2. Like I said, we didn't finish the lobster tail, but that's all right. You know, we share it with the kids, and the kids love it. You know,
can't get 2 plates.
All the kids can't eat the seafood, but the ones that can, they put their smash on it. But yeah, so we about to dive into this
Big ones.
Mukbang, bang, bang, mukbang,
Let me
bong,
take a
bong.
picture. Let me take a
But you know, people say mukbang, but we like to put our own little twist on it. We call it a mukbang. So you can call it whatever you want it.
Put it down, you know? No.
But I'm gonna call it the
Get it out the cabinet.
bang.
This one was off the
I want 2 out the cabinet.
Because
Don't
I'm
rinse it.
finna bang out these
2 small ones.
about to bang them.
No, you about to start right now?
I'm ready to eat.
You need a plate.
You should be mediums.
I don't need it.
Yeah, those 2. I need 2 of those. I don't do the potatoes because it's like really saturated with butter.
These things are really sharp.
I need it right here.
These things are really, really sharp.
You didn't
No.
Daddy?
Go get to them.
Yeah, we need our crackling
That's fine.
tool.
This is
Listen.
the juice.
Oh, wow.
Use the plate.
Okay. See, I'm gonna just dive right on in it. Because, can I see the scissors? Now, for some reason, we keep misplacing our scissors. So we got these little, what you call these little second grade scissors.
Oh, this is like crunchy.
But, hey, it's gonna do the job. Well, all foods that require a tool to eat.
Pecans.
Pecans, yeah. Pecans is a food that requires a tool. What about oysters?
Yeah, and pineapple.
Yeah, oysters and whole pineapples require a tool. Yeah, because how can you eat a whole pineapple without,
This is really good.
using a knife? Back to that yummy. That yummy sauce, boy, ain't no joke. I think I made it a little too spicy, but oh well.
Yeah, he did. I had to make my own sauce.
Yeah, her sauce looking yellow over there.
It's good. Taste a little bit.
Well, I might have to go over there.
Can I get a bag, please? When you get done. I want to pop in my eye.
And we got share scissors. Well, it's alright.
Got a hole in it.
It's fine.
Cause we gotta get to the middle.
I don't care how we do it, but as long as we do it.
That's where the meat at, in the middle.
Thank you.
Meat in the middle.
It's good.
You get that meat out of there right now. Put it in that dipper sauce. Woo!
This ain't like lobster. Not saying something wrong with lobster, but
We had to pick up some more corn too, cause the corn got lost. We went to the store to get the corn, but they forgot to put it in the bag. Now, how many people out there ever went to the grocery store? Got to the checkout line, bagged up all your groceries, then you get home, and they forgot to put something in your cart.
this stuff is really crunchy.
Well, that's what happened to us.
Yes.
They forgot to put the corn in the cart,
Had to get that today.
so we didn't have corn the last one. But hey,
Looks good.
we got it now, and it's pretty good.
Look at this. Oh man.
It's like dipper. Yummy.
That is good.
That's yummy.
This is a hot one.
Can I get those scissors out your plate? Thank you.
I could double dip. Oh,
Can you?
yeah.
Now, why y'all like to double dip? Is there a problem with double dipping when you kissing the same person?
I don't mind if you double dip.
Oh, because I know when you kiss the same person and you say I don't double dip, like that's like an insult. Like if I kiss a person and you don't even double dip,
This stuff is extra crunchy.
You know, the same sauce. I don't mind double dipping.
Oh man,
with
this is the
my
top.
wife.
This is the top. This is the top.
Oh, that's the top?
This is the top right here.
Oh, shoot. What you gonna do with it then?
I'm gonna eat that mug up.
You gonna finish him. Yeah, I gotta be careful with these shells too, because sometimes if you don't crack these shells right, you might get a little shell on your meat.
Oh yeah.
You know, you be eating, shell, and that shell gets stuck in your throat.
I got them on my shirt.
Yeah, it won't be a nice outcome. But yeah, look at that.
I just can't believe
Put
the
it in
top.
that dip
I just can't believe this is a lot of meat on the top.
Mm-hmm.
I got butter mixed with parsley and a couple other ingredients.
That potato.
No, that ain't parsley.
That potato good.
That's basil.
Got some basil on that potato.
Yeah.
Let me try this potato in the dip. I'm gonna call this dip the yummy yummy.
This is good.
Yeah, sweet corn. I don't know if I had told y'all, but the main ingredients for the sauce, I like to use sriracha. Now, I don't know what you guys use out there, but you get some of that sriracha, you can't go wrong.
This is good.
I'm grabbing for another one. Well, I told her that I was gonna let her do this by herself. Well, not let her, but I wasn't gonna join in.
He wasn't supposed to join me, but it's cool.
Yeah.
You know, I really didn't want to do it by myself anyway.
Yeah, she needed some company, and my stomach needed some tender love and care.
I was just gonna go live with it. That's all.
All that juice coming out of that thing like that. Yeah, my stomach needs some tender love and care. You know, I don't want to get no food today.
You funny.
I was hungry.
I didn't get no food today.
Oh.
I had breakfast today.
Can I get those scissors? Can you like put those scissors like right here? Cause I don't want to go on your plate.
Go ahead.
Yeah, these scissors are messy, y'all.
They're gonna be some messy Marv scissors.
So what other foods require the tool? We said oysters. You said walnuts.
Probably.
Crab legs, obviously. What other foods?
Mussel.
Mussel.
Ain't that like oysters?
That ain't good. Mussels? Yeah, I guess. You know.
That thing looks fat, for real.
Alright.
That's what I'm saying, no.
Nobody playing over here.
You playing for real, because that should have been mine.
I mean, you wanted me to join you.
No, you wanted to join me.
Well,
this thing hurt.
it's one and the same.
Ain't no meat on top of this one. It's a little meat.
Yeah, Wow.
I like the top meat though. First I said I wasn't gonna eat it tonight.
Yeah, y'all. Woo. Guilty pleasure. Hit it in that dipper. Yummy, yummy.
So do you be having guilty pleasures all the time?
I say this is one of my guilty pleasures. Because
What he said?
it's too expensive. This food, you know, I don't even want to say it, y'all, but
It's expensive.
this food is not cheap. So,
But I like it.
so when I eat it, sometimes, oh, look at that. So when I eat this food, I be thinking about,
That ain't cool.
you know, all the stuff that I could have bought. Like how many packs of ramen noodles, packs of chicken that we could have bought for maybe 2 of these.
Four.
What is this? Crab legs.
Oh.
So I try not to think about it, but man, look at that! Look at that!
This is dark red. Too.
Ooh, wait!
This must have been a female.
Nah, that's king. Ain't got nothing to do with no female.
The king ain't female?
King. You ain't say no queen.
So king crabs. That means it's adult.
That means it's a male.
I never knew that. I'm gonna look that up.
Sure. You know a female can't get this big.
They can.
Huh? Female don't got no muscle like this. This muscle. Huh?
Don't tell me that.
Ooh, wait.
My fat yours.
Mine's fat anyway.
I see a pepper on myself. Oh, I forgot the most important thing.
What? What's that?
My lemon.
Lemon? Let me get some of that lemon on this damn. Ooh,
Get
look
your
at-
own.
Man, that's neat. Throw some of that lemon juice on that. Ooh, look alright. Look alright.
I might not even get a big fat like that.
Ooh. It's going in that dipper. Yummy, yummy.
He ain't playing.
I like saying that. So excuse me if I said it too many times. Yummy, yummy.
I like the potatoes though.
You know good when you gotta close your eyes. You close your eyes, just taste the meat. I mean, good.
It's pretty good. It's like fat. I think I need to be working out tomorrow.
I say chicken don't got nothing on this meat, boy.
You better eat chicken here. We barely eat chicken around here. Look at chicken napkin. Where we order chicken out.
Look at that shell.
We get the chicken from the gas station. It's gonna be nasty.
Well, a joke.
That's good though.
More of that lemon juice on that.
This stuff ain't no joke about the how much it hurt.
Ooh, this sauce is spicy.
Why you think I got?
So when y'all use that, oh, I forgot you had shrimp. You got shrimp up in here too. You didn't say nothing about the shrimp.
I've been tearing that stuff up. I broke my leg.
You know. Let's tell y'all something about this shrimp. Shrimp is a aphrodisiac. You know, give you energy. Make you want to run fast.
I was wondering what answer you was gonna give.
What?
No, seriously.
What do?
I hear that word a lot.
What, an aphrodisiac? Yeah. It's like kiwi, strawberry, banana.
I want to make sure I don't put no shells on this thing.
Do y'all know any other aphrodisiacs?
Is it Afro? Afro.
Afro. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say, y'all.
Is this mine? Oh, I'm about to say.
Man, I bit this thing like 4 times. What y'all think? Y'all let me know how many times I bit this same piece of meat that came out here.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Let me not forget now.
And then there's still a little bit more meat up in there.
That better. I like that.
It's messy.
It'll be messy.
Boy, these little sisters do the job, boy.
Let's do it. Better than the big one.
Well, you know.
Oh.
I guess it's not the size. It's what you do with it. You got to know how to handle it.
All right now. Who did that?
It popped in my eye.
I thought I did that.
Oh, wow.
Look, I don't even care right now.
Nah. One thing y'all don't want to get in your eye is this sauce.
Oh,
The yummy sauce. You get this yummy this sauce in your eye.
You better make that yummy sauce in your mouth next time.
One thing I gotta say is water. Ooh, wait. That dipper.
That's
yummy,
so hot.
yummy.
That lemon. Definitely need it.
Lemon.
I need that lemon. Whew. Whew.
Boy.
Like a a seahorse.
Like, who gonna win?
Sound like a seahorse though.
It do.
Don't you, y'all?
Did your mom tell you never play with your food?
Well, hey, I'm playing my food and I'm eating it. You can play with this food.
Y'all gotta be careful on this end. Because this part right here can really get stuck in your throat if you're not careful.
I sure can. I know by experience. Just a little piece, not a big piece.
You wanna give me shout outs right now?
No, I don't know no shout outs right now. I don't have my phone. Well, I do, but it's dirty. So if you might want to shout out, just comment down below.
Well, I want to shout out, my mama. My mama is about to turn 90 years old.
89.
Oh,
It's 89. Yeah, it's 89.
89, 90. Let's say my mom lived a long time. Is still living.
Ooh, I'm trying to.
So I'm gonna shout out my mom. I love you, Ma. I know I'm your favorite, but you told me not to tell nobody. Ooh, what happened? Where's it at?
Right here.
Oh, it. Wow.
But look.
What's that?
I don't know. It's good enough for me. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, finish.
Whew. She said I was her favorite, but never tell no one. Have anybody said had their mother tell them that they was her favorite, but she told them not to tell no one? Well, I'm the favorite.
Why? Because you're the baby boy. Look, this is the top right here. This is the top.
Wow.
Wow.
That's a thick piece of meat.
Be careful eating this top.
Yeah, but yeah, I am the baby boy. No one could do no wrong.
Jody, bring my car back.
Huh? Where that came from?
Remember the baby boy, Jody?
Oh.
How you gonna forget?
I am not Jody Baby Boy.
Ooh, that's funny.
He got too many problems. He gonna get beat up. He got jumped by some little dudes. Baby mama drama. This is hot.
I'm trying to eat this hot stuff. It's good though, but it's hot.
Did I try the other one right there?
Mm-hmm.
It's got butter.
Butter and some mixture. Whew.
Like, where that shrimp at?
Whew. Then we got one more crab king each.
Woo. It's hot.
It's
Man, that is totally different. I know.
You said it was hot.
It's hot. I gotta keep doing my lip like this. Gotta get your lips like all, wet. Cause it's so hot. All around my lips.
Come on, let's eat it.
Hot lip. Hot.
Don't turn your lip like that. What happened? What you put in there?
Oh, that butter like it got cold. The butter got cold. That was thick. It is thick butter.
I think you did something to my butter.
I ain't do none of that butter.
Some thick butter.
Man, the hot stuff on the corn of cob made the corn of cob hot.
Let me get this one.
Wait a minute, we got two more?
Yeah.
Why don't we work on this one then?
2.5.
We about to finish
I
this.
have to dilute my stuff.
I ain't even playing around.
The Marvin stuff is really, really hot.
I am not playing around this day. It's gonna be either me or this. What's this? Crabs. What's wrong?
It's hot. How hard you make it this hot?
Well,
And that butter got cold.
all I got to say is, try not to use so much sriracha if you ever use the sriracha. Try not to use too much. Because if you use too much, it can become very spicy.
Okay, I'm done.
And if you ain't down with the spicy,
I'm done.
I suggest you don't use the sriracha at all.
How myself get cold like that?
Now, I don't even know what these things are. Anybody know what these things are? Now, in our bodies, we have bones.
Like tenants. Are those tenants?
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's a tenet or something of that nature. But yeah. I ain't saying it. I'm not saying it this time, y'all. I'm not gonna say it.
I don't know if that's tenants. Say it. What is it?
Yummy.
Yummy. Maybe yummy for your tummy. Ooh, that's hot.
Woo. This spice got in my nose. Ooh. That's spices. How spices get in your nose?
Cause you made it hot.
That stuff got in my.
I'm done.
I'm sorry. I'll be that. It's in my nose.
Marvin, you got one corn and one potato. One king crab.
Oh. Ooh,
That looks fat. Where'd you get that one from?
I feel like I snorted some hot sauce in my nose.
That was half?
Oh.
You okay?
It's in my nose, y'all. It's in my nose.
That's what he get, because he made that stuff too hot for me.
That's alright. I'm gonna fight
You
through
breaking it. You breaking it.
I'm messing it up, huh? Dang.
You eat that corn?
The corn good.
You gonna eat that one?
I don't know. This thing is stuck to the shell. Ain't my fault.
Yeah, that's like dark red.
Yeah, it's stuck to the shell.
No, it ain't.
Ooh, wait.
And I kind of steamed this right
Guilty
here.
pleasure.
Like I had cooked these and I steamed it.
Guilty pleasure, y'all.
Like the outside looked kind of it worried
Look
me.
at this little.
How the outside
What
looked.
this is, boy.
Looked kind of dry, but I kind of steamed it. Not too much water in it.
Oh, I see why it happened. You probably had mixed water in there, didn't you?
No.
Oh.
You know, butter got a little bit of mixture in it.
It's good.
I'm telling you, that's
If
good.
it was warm.
Probably because we wasn't touching it for a few minutes.
Oh,
We did an intermission, and we just let it set for. This was like 3 minutes. So I'm done. I can't eat no more.
What?
No. It's a leg and a half and potato and corn. Can't do it.
I don't know about her. So I can keep going.
That was sour. That was lemon. Sour lemon. It was smacking.
Woo.
I don't know.
Love it. I love it.
I think it's gonna be a while before I have some of these. No, I can't do. Yeah, I don't think I could go too long without having some more of these. You at least have this like once or twice a month.
I tell you what, when you crave for it, you crave it for it.
Exactly.
You know, you got to have it.
You don't care how much it is.
Yeah. But see, that's just the thing. You know, when we crave for it, you know, we didn't think about the price because, you know, we really wanted it.
Ooh.
Now that we have it, it's right
I'm
here.
just looking at his stuff, but I'm
We
full.
eating it.
Oh, I'm messing my shirt.
I'm just thinking about all the times that I won't be able to eat this.
Look what I did to my
So
shirt.
I'm going to take advantage. Hey, Messy Marvin? Huh?
I hope this thing can go.
Messy
Come on.
Stephanie? You messy.
I was just too busy eating. I ain't
Now?
care.
You need a bib?
You have that king or you having the half?
You need a bib.
Give you the bed.
She need one of them bib things to go around her neck
Excuse me.
so she won't make a mess.
You can have this deformed one. No, this is the arm. Those are little.
So you talking about deformity? It's not deformed. Sure.
No, this is the arm. And that's the leg. That's what it is. The little small part.
Oh, it got hair on it.
Yeah, I saw that. I tried to clean it. I couldn't clean it up. I couldn't get it. Look at that spicy stuff. You better eat.
I was eating nothing with hair on it.
No, it's just a couple spots like that. Ma, you ate it. It's gone.
I don't eat nothing with hair on it. That's scary.
The joints right there should be scary.
You eating a... Wait a minute. How could something in the water have hair on it?
It can grow hair, like fungus or just like seaweed or something.
What sea creature has hair? I don't know. Leave a comment. Anybody that know what sea creature has hair on its shell or wherever?
That was the skin, like a tight skin you just put in your mouth.
But it had hair on it.
Be careful. See, you know that. You know that.
It's all good. Because you either had hair or not, I'm still smashing.
Well, why would you trip about it? Now, which one you want? You want this one or that one?
It don't matter to me.
Well, I'll take this one. No, I don't want that big. But yeah, I'll take this one.
Yeah, you got it out.
This ain't really got no meat on it. But
Whew. That's spicy.
this shrimp, a flavor.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The shrimp be bomb.
I don't dip in the butter. I can't. I'm gonna say it for tomorrow.
Y'all got excuse me, my nose start to run. That just means this stuff is really, really spicy.
I'm gonna wait to eat that tomorrow
What?
or later.
Man.
Yeah.
It's like Mortal Kombat. Finish him.
Be careful. Oh. 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 That's hot.
So much meat in it too. Right.
You can't get it.
I'm gonna push it through. I'm good. I'm good.
This is hot.
That's really good.
Okay.
Well, it has been another seafood mukbang. And thanks you guys for hanging out with us eating.
This is chewy.
It's been it's been a messy adventure.
I know.
But it's been really
my
good.
Shirt up.
Yeah.
And you know,
That might not come out.
well, you didn't buy me nothing because you was the one who made that sriracha.
Yeah, I'll get you
Sauce.
another shirt. I'll get you that one. It's all good. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, hanging out with
Stephanie, Miss Harris to you.
yeah, and what's my name? Say my name. Mike Moore, aka maybe 420. And hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed and you want a new viewer, just pop it in. Subscribe. Check us out. We got a lot more videos. A lot of videos on the channel. A lot more videos coming. We got a story time coming up. You know, I want you guys to stay tuned to that. So hit that bell so when y'all get that notification, you know, we got that story time coming up on how we met. We ain't forgot about you. But yeah, we got that coming up. What's so funny?
How we met.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned to that. So, it's been one.
Thanks for eating with us.
Thanks for eating. Like, subscribe. Ring that bell. And
Comment down below. And let us know what videos you would like to see more of from us. So, till next time. Peace.
Peace.
Okay. I don't feel like getting up.
Stay in my belly. Stephanie.
Why are you playing? Why are you playing?